Welcome to Ovation. In this video, you'll learn about AI-powered dialogues. Using ChatGPT 4 and 11 Labs voice generation, you'll see how we can use AI-powered dialogues for Q&A, conversations, and interviews. I've logged into my Ovation account and you can see that I've got the scenarios to practice different types of speaking all along this menu. And you'll notice that some of these scenarios have a little yellow lightning bolt. These are the scenarios that will use an advanced AI model in order to drive the conversation based upon parameters that I put in. This provides a lot more realism. You can see that I have Q&As when I'm doing any type of speech. Those can be AI driven. One-on-one conversations, for example, and interviews can be AI driven. And this gives me the ability to have a conversation using AI that's dynamic and adjusts to the things that I'm saying. It's quite good. If I go in here and look at my one-on-one conversation, let's use that as an example. We'll have a one-on-one conversation in a mountain lodge. So I'll choose my venue, and when I choose my venue, I'll have the opportunity of customizing the AI to be exactly the type of conversation that I'd like to practice. You can see that I've got my active scenarios here. So if I go in to add a customization, I can choose things such as accents. So we'll do a British accent, make that active in the scenario. And I can continue to add modifiers in here to create a customized environment. We'll go ahead and say that the purpose is for advice. We can go in and create a custom scenario here with this person will be my friend. And I can even create my own custom scenarios where I can put in a label. So for example, let's say that I want this person to be an expert, and then I could put instructions to the AI to provide exactly how I want the AI to behave with the avatar that I'm speaking to. A trick in here is I like to use the text to speech or speech to text. I'll click on that and we'll create it. For this conversation, I would like the person I'm speaking with to be an expert in the field. They understand that I'm just learning about the topic at hand, but they are able to explain it in as much depth as I am able to converse with. So you can see that's in there. We'll create the expert level scenario. We'll make it active in the scenario. So I have this here, and I can modify the scenario too. So for example, it picked up the first part when I said that I would click on here. So I'll just go and take this out just to clean that up a little bit. And instead of converse with, I'll say converse about. So you can see that you can make modifications here. You can really customize the AI to be exactly the way you'd like it to be. Now when I go in, I have the active scenarios in here. I can go in and we can go and close that, and we can continue, and we can begin the process of having the conversation and practicing my skills. One of the pieces of advice with the AI at this point is to work in the manual mode where you'll listen, you'll say something, and then you'll pass it back and forth using your controller or your hands, just to give the AI an opportunity to really absorb and work with the material, the conversation that you're having.
Oh, blimey, mate. You wouldn't believe the day I've had. I was just about ready to toss my laptop out the window. Technology, right? But enough about that. Tell me, what's been keeping you busy lately?
It's great to hear from you again. It's been so long since we've had a chance to sit down and have a chat. So I've been working on some really exciting initiatives in my business on digital transformation. I know you're an expert in that area. What do you think I can do to really help my business grow?
Oh, that's brilliant to hear. Digital transformation's the way forward. No doubt about it. I reckon the first thing you need to do is look at your current processes and see where technology can make them smoother and more efficient. Things like automating mundane tasks, improving customer experiences, and using data analytics to make better decisions. But hey, don't get bogged down in the tech for tech's sake. It should always serve your business goals, yeah? What sort of initiatives are you thinking about?
That makes perfect sense. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. I was wondering actually, what do you think are the major areas of digital transformation that I should focus on?
It's all about prioritizing, innit? I'd say start with customer experience.
Now, in my case, I had a very short conversation, but I do receive my feedback and I can look at the full report where I can improve on the different topic areas. I can improve on the different factors and become better at conversations as I practice my skills. Using AI to customize and tailor your conversations adds a lot of value. And in order to deliver this value, Ovation works with OpenAI's language models. You may be familiar with OpenAI's ChatGPT. So whether you use AI for Q&A sessions, one-on-one conversations, or interviews, it's a fantastic feature that I'd encourage you to explore. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.